As you know, my name is Caitlin, and together we are exploring the topic of nutrition. This is very important for everyone to learn about. I'm personally staying motivated through this because I have a goal set, and I want to reach that goal, and I want to do whatever I can to help out with that. So I would encourage you to also make a goal and push yourself towards that. All right, let's start with some basics. There are three general types of carbs. Starch is the way plants store energy. For example, this is the inside of potatoes. Sugar is another way that plants store energy. Think the sweetness of an apple or a carrot. Sugar is also found in milk to provide energy to babies, baby humans, or baby animals like cows. When we eat carbohydrates in their whole form, we also get an abundance of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and especially fiber. Fiber is defined as an indigestible carbohydrate. It is just indigestible to human digestive enzymes. The good gut bacteria we learned about in our last peapod can digest fiber. It is one of their favorite foods. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. A soluble fiber has a gel-like structure and can be dissolved in water. So this happens when you cook and then cool oatmeal. The sticky glue that binds the oatmeal together is a soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber is the parts of the plant that we really have to chew. Think strings of celery or like an apple peel. Both types of fiber have amazing health properties. As I say in the pharmaceutical commercials, side effects of fiber include lower blood cholesterol, lower blood sugar, lower risk for cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes, constipation, appendicitis, etc. It's better than drugs, basically. Fiber is only found in whole plant foods. When foods are refined or processed, they usually take the fiber out. Let's take a look at an example of a grain of seed. For example, a wheat seed or a rye seed. Grains are what we grind up to make flour for bread, cookies, and muffins. Cookies are my favorite. Whole grains or seeds have three parts. Remember that the seed is good for us, but the main purpose of the seed is to grow a plant. So each part of the grain is helpful for growing a plant. There's the bran, which is the outer shell made of fiber. It protects the seed and it also has vitamins and minerals that help the plant grow. Next is the germ. This is a little package of nutrition for the baby plant. And then the endosperm is made of starch. It's super important for the plant because it provides energy and protein for the plant to grow when the seed is still under the ground and not yet exposed to sunlight. When we mill or grind the whole grain, all of these parts are included in the flour. When we refine or process grains, we take away the germ and bran and leave only the white flour endosperm. All the good stuff is left behind. Another example is processed sugar. Whole beets, just like other sweet foods, like fruits, contain sugar, but the sugar is packaged with sorts of good stuff like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. When beets are naturally or other naturally sweet foods are processed, all the good nutrition gets taken away. Sugar is then added to all sorts of products, which adds energy and dilutes the nutrient contents of the food. Added sugar is hiding in 3/4 of packaged foods. We know that sugar drinks contain sugar, but sugar is in bread, ketchup, and sandwiches and more. One container of flavored yogurt contains 6.5 teaspoons. This all adds up. On average, Americans eat 17 teaspoons of added sugar every day. That is 60 pounds of sugar each year. Wow. There are many different names for sugar that manufacturers like to use to trick you. There's 56, actually. My favorite is dehydrated cane juice. That's just how you make sugar. You dehydrate the juice of sugar cane. Whole foods like a banana or pineapple have the fiber and other nutrients our bodies need. Eating sugar in a whole food form is nutritious. But then we eat But when we eat a lot of sugar added to foods without the fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it can contribute to mood swings, and low energy, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and dental caries. The American Heart Association and the World Health Organization recommend limiting sugar to 6 teaspoons a day for women and 9 teaspoons a day for men. That's the equivalent of just one sweetened yogurt per day. So once again, as always, I'm making these videos because I care about everyone watching this video a whole lot. Being away at school has given me a better appreciation for the time we spent together, and I think this could be a great bonding experience. So this week I tried, it was like a Thai glazed chicken dish. As you can see, it was a little spicy, but it was good. I also got the oatmeal from the dining hall, which isn't very good, but you know, oats are oats. So here's the recipe for that. It's just steamed rice, grilled chicken, grilled green beans, sesame seeds, and Thai glaze all like mixed together. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week's episode of Peapod, where I'll tell you all about legumes.